All right, fellow YouTubers, I'm back once again, and here it is 2024, and I have a new surprise for you guys. This year, we're going to be fixing up a 2014 Lexus IS 250 F Sport. So, some companies have already started reaching out to me, sending me some products. First off, we got a touch-up paint kit that have shown up already. We have some newer F Sport emblems. There's nothing wrong with my emblems, but the company just wanted to send them to me to try them out. So we got those as well. And this company here sent me a cover for my key fob. Just because a Lexus key fob just has this like one little piece here to attach to your keychain, which kind of makes it awkward sometimes. And so let's open this up and check out what they sent us. Oh wow, look at this little fancy metal case. I wasn't expecting that. Huh. So, let's open this up. Impressive so far. Oh. Looks like we have like a little carabiner clip here that you could probably attach to like a belt loop on your pants, or you could attach it to another keychain. Guess this is just like an eyelet that we actually put through it. Oh, and there's a couple pieces here. So I guess that's like the upper top case. Well, this is really nice. This is actually metal, if you can hear that. Has some itty bitty little screws, which I'm gonna need one of those eyeglass little screwdriver kits for. Oh, I see what's gonna happen. So there's little, I don't know if you guys can see this that well. There are some little tiny screws that hold this together. So it's actually two pieces. So I'm guessing these are just extra screws in case you were to lose them. So you're going to have to separate this to put your key fob in there. Oh look, it actually comes with all the tools you need. It has little screwdrivers here in the kit. That's really nice. There's a little flathead, a little Phillips, I guess like a little ratcheting tool. Huh. It's actually more impressive than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was just going to be like a basic, like leather cover kind of kit for it. Wasn't expecting high quality like metal like this. It is nice because it is like a gunmetal color. So I do think that this, they asked me what color I would like. There was different options. I think there was like a red, a black, maybe a white or a silver. I figured blue, blue's kind of like my favorite color, so I guess these pieces are going to go inside here, and your key fob actually goes inside here. So give me a few minutes and I will put this all together. All right, got it all together. Took me about 1 to 2 minutes to put this together. It was actually easier than I thought, even though the screws are so small and tiny. It really wasn't that hard. I kind of just like grabbed the little screws and just dropped them and they fell perfectly straight in. Grabbed the little screwdriver, tightened them down. So it does have like this like kind of a smoked clear cover. It does say it's supposed to be like keep water from actually getting into the buttons, but how often does your remote actually get water on it? The only little complaint I have, and it's not really much of a complaint, is that the buttons now just aren't perfectly centered. They're slightly to the right, just a hair. Hopefully you guys can see this. Like almost like if the blue cutout was just slightly to the right, just maybe like 1/8 of an inch. But that's no big deal. It's just that I'm kind of like picky and I just notice little things. But all in all, it seems nice, sturdy, heavy duty. Here's the back of it. Like I said, you can pick any color you want. It's kind of like a blue, like a dark blue, navy blue leather. Same thing on the front here. You can get, like I said, I think it was maroon or black, some other color options. I like how it's kind of like this gunmetal case. They said they also had the silver casing, so I said the gunmetal and the blue color combination. Here's like a little leather to hold it, like a little strap. Like I said, presentation, this thing is unbelievable. I can't believe it has this like little metal case to keep everything in case you want to change it up. I don't think that I would use the little carabiner clip, but maybe I will. I don't know. So it's real simple. The reason it comes with a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver, the flathead screwdriver is used to remove the pin out of here. So when you change it out. But so far, I give this a thumbs up. I wasn't suspecting this. I was expecting just something cheaper, leather, whatever. I think these are like 19, 20 bucks, something like that. They sell them on Amazon, they sell them on eBay. I'll put a link below in the description for you guys. And something simple that obviously every Lexus owner will have is a key fob remote. And so far, thanks a lot, guys, for getting me this product. Here soon, like I said, other products will start showing up for the vehicle. It will be going on the vehicle. But I'm excited, guys. 2024, we have a lot in store and some good surprises. Thanks for watching my channel.